The dry brake coupling or half coupling is designed to fit either remotely from a filling valve on a separate flange mounting or on newer tanks directly to the filling valve and fitted as a unit. There are different versions of the coupling, including a square flanged option to replace older, heavier brass versions. The coupling is a robust, simple mechanical unit, and very little should go wrong. It's recommended an annual inspection and service is carried out to ensure it operates correctly. Correct maintenance should ensure that the valve lasts as long as the tank is in operation. The cap is a dust cap and only intended to prevent damage to the fill coupling. It is not intended to be the sealing point to prevent fluid leakages. Check the seal and replace the seal if it's missing or there are any signs of fatigue. Inspect the threads to make sure that they've not been damaged. The caps we supply are anodized aluminium. They're the lightest we could supply to ensure the thread integrity. Plastic caps trialled eventually came loose and lost the bite to the half coupling, resulting in them coming off when trains were in motion. We advise replacing any plastic caps, or caps that do not fit snugly to the half coupling. Inspect the chain to make sure it's connected correctly onto the cap and the half coupling body. Ensure the cap and chain are genuine, as a chain with the correct grade material and correct thickness is required to meet industry standards set to prevent the cap becoming a missile if the cap comes loose when the train is in motion. Remove the circlip at the rear with a blunt tool, being careful not to damage the body anodizing. Take the spider, spring and coupling head out and clean all parts. Inspect all sealing faces for damage. Replace the O-ring and lightly grease. Then reassemble and pressure test the unit. Thanks for watching. More information on our product range and maintenance can be found on our website, or contact us via sales@ams-IAC.com.